The human body is built to handle volume. We process hundreds of pounds of protein, carbohydrates, and lipids every year, the bulk material our cells use to maintain their physical structure and generate heat. But having a full tank of fuel doesn't guarantee the system will run. Without any warning, a perfectly nourished body can find its nervous system frozen, or its tissues literally dissolving from the inside out. In 1912, Casimir began to solve this mystery when he isolated a compound from rice bran that could reverse nerve inflammation. He named it a vitamin, an amine necessary for life. The strangest thing about these compounds is how little of them we actually need. Their impact is measured in gammas, a unit representing 1/1,000,000th of a gram. In the world of biology, the most powerful elements aren't the ones we consume by the pound. The real control lies with the millionth of a gram activators that turn the entire system on. Every second, your cells conduct thousands of chemical reactions. These are managed by enzymes, molecular workers that build and repair the body. Without them, the chemistry of life simply stops. Often, an enzyme is just a lifeless protein shell called an apoenzyme. It remains inert until a specific vitamin molecule snaps into its structure, completing the shape and activating the enzyme. This is vitamin B1, or thiamine, consisting of a pyrimidine and thiazole ring. This geometry bridges the gap in enzymes breaking down sugars. B1 also protects the nervous system, preventing cholinesterase from destroying the chemical signals that let nerves communicate. If you remove that microscopic trace of B1, the signals stop. The entire electrical grid of the body goes dark because a single millionth of a gram shield is missing. Because our biology is so dependent on these microactivators, we are highly susceptible to invisible molecular traps hidden in common foods. For instance, raw egg whites contain avidin. It acts as a molecular predator, identifying and engulfing specific vitamins before the body can use them. Avidin binds so tightly to biotin, vitamin H, that the body cannot pull it away. This trigger locks the vitamin, leading to severe skin inflammation and hair loss. A similar trap exists in agriculture. When livestock are fed a diet consisting solely of raw corn, they often develop a debilitating skin disease. Raw corn contains a toxin physically mimicking vitamin PP, or niacin. It clogs metabolic pathways, repelling the real vitamin and causing pellagra. However, simple heat shatters the toxin. Once cooked, niacin is released, disarming the trap. Survival isn't just about finding calories, it's about navigating these invisible chemical skirmishes happening inside our food. These interactions aren't limited to basic digestion. They reach into the body's highest level of management, the endocrine system. Think of it as a chain of command. Vitamins activate the enzymes that, in turn, trigger the cascade of hormones that regulate growth and mood. These are the chemical structures of the B6 group: pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. Without these specific molecular signatures, the body cannot manufacture sex hormones. Similarly, vitamin A is the required precursor for rhodopsin, the protein in the eye that allows us to see when light levels are low. Beyond vision, a lack of vitamin A prevents the adrenal glands from producing cortisone, effectively leaving the immune system without its primary instructions. From the ability to see in the dark to the fundamental capacity to reproduce, every major biological function relies on these microscopic traces of matter. This microdependency is even responsible for our physical integrity. Vitamin C is the essential catalyst for creating collagen, the molecular glue that holds human skin and blood vessels together. Without this single vitamin, the glue fails. For centuries, sailors who lacked fresh fruit saw their old wounds reopen and their bodies literally fall apart from scurvy. And here lies the ultimate biological vulnerability. Despite our absolute need for these molecules, the human body cannot produce most of them on its own. We are forced to rely on a complex web of plants and gut bacteria to synthesize these compounds for us. Humans aren't self-contained units. We are fragile ecosystems, entirely dependent on a microscopic world we can't even see. Ultimately, the survival of the largest creatures on Earth is dictated by the smallest molecules in existence. We live at the mercy of the microactivator.